So what's up guys, I am back at Dubai Beautyworld 2024 and this is the second day here, and today we are going to explore some new brands. I will try to show you some new releases from Paris Corner. And look who we have here. This is Safir Bhai from Fragrance World. Safir Bhai, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good, bhai. So I'm here in Fragrance World and in their second brand, French Avenue. And I was with Mr. Safir Bhai. I can show you some of their new releases, and you know their stuff is dropped. So let me show you some of their new fragrances and then we will move to the next video. This was Fragrance World. I was not able to check all the fragrances because they have hundreds of fragrances. And now I'm going to show you Paris Corner. And here we go. This stand is so unique. You can find it from the distance and see the design and creativity. So this is, guys, Paris Corner. And you can see all these Illuminati eye kind of thing, but in Turkish culture, this is to prevent bad eye, to prevent evil eye. So let me show you some of their newly launched fragrances. So here is it. This is the first one. I haven't tried it yet. This is Tiramisu Speculous. I still have to try that out. And this is Banana Bliss. These two I haven't received it yet from Shamlin Bhai. But as soon as I will receive it, I'm going to review them. And even these two are new. Coconut Lagoon and Mango Jugoso. The name looks very interesting, and we're going to review it very soon. And then they have the hair collection. I have Fusion already, but the review is still pending. I'm going to review it in the next week because I was busy with Beautyworld Dubai. This is something new. I haven't received it yet, so let's try it out. Okay, this is once again spicy vanilla kind of fragrance. Okay, so just now the brother told me this is Kayali's wedding silk sandal, which is discontinued. Felicity from Hair. We're going to review it in detail very soon. And then they have Ophidian collection. I have received these bottles already, but still reviews are pending. All these reviews are coming soon to you guys in next week or in next 2 weeks maximum. So this is Mango Bliss. I got this one, and the next one I got is Sweet Surrender, and I also got the third one, which is Black Cherry. So we are going to review it very soon. And this is definitely a cherry based scent, as you can see from the name, Black Cherry. So we will review it soon. So guys, this is Oud Al Anfar. I'm sure all of you have already heard about them. And see who we found here. Tariq Bhai, how are you? Everything is good? How's it going?
Great.
So guys, this is Oud Al Anfar, and let me show you some of their fragrances. So here we go. This is their Ajiyat line. This is their Ascent line. Let me show you the Ajiyat first. So here you go. These are all from their Ajiyat line, and they are very famous for their good quality of oud oils and oud based fragrances. And these are their fragrances, and this is their Aston line. So this is their Dehan al Oud collection. If you're looking for some high quality Dehan al Oud, you can come and try their oud oils. They are great, and they also have some their own blends, their attars. You can also try these out, and you can see the stand is full of people and they are enjoying. So this was Oud Al Anfar. We cannot show you all of the fragrances, unfortunately, because they have like hundreds of fragrances. So I'm just showing you the stand and the brands here, and just showing you the vibe of Beautyworld Dubai 2024. So guys, this is the stand for Arabiat Prestige from My Perfumes, and beautiful stand. Now I will try to show you the stand from inside. So let's go inside. तो दोस्तों ये हैं हमारे सरफराज भाई, इनका अपना ब्रांड है अलमाम, और बोतल देख लो। ओके, और अभी टेस्ट करेंगे। लगाएं भाई, इधर इधर या शोल्डर पे। ओके, अरे सर आफ्टरनून स्विम, हाँ इमेजिनेशन, हाँ सॉरी, टाइगर, यस वेरी नाइस। वो
मार के देखो आप।
नाइस नाइस नाइस, पंप इज गुड, पंप इज गुड। सो अगर कोई भाई टाइगर ढूंढ रहा है, सर क्या प्राइस है इसका?
इसका है अभी सेल चालू है 999 30 ml।
999 30 ml। तो यार आप ट्राई कर सकते हो। स्प्रे बड़ा जानदार है, बोतल भी अच्छा है, एंड फ्रेग्रेंस, हाँ इस टाइगर और फर्स्ट स्निफ में लगा जैसे एलवी का आफ्टरनून स्विम है, बट या दिस इज दैट वन इज डिफरेंट। सो महम फ्रेग्रेंसेस, महम अलमाम फ्रेग्रेंसेस। अपना फेसबुक का बता दो भाई।
फेसबुक भी अलमाम फ्रैग के नाम से है, अलमाम फ्रैग के नाम से है, और इंस्टाग्राम भी अलमाम फ्रैग के नाम से।
चले, नाइस मीटिंग यू सरफराज भाई,
इंशाल्लाह।
डू चेक इट आउट।